All right. Hey, hello there. Oh my gosh. When you're prepping to go somewhere, isn't it just like, I don't know about anybody else, but I have to get like everything done. Like I have to clean because I don't want to come home to a dirty house. I got to get my laundry done. I got to pull out my stuff. And then this is a land vacation and I rented a minivan so the grandkids could fit in there because I no longer have a big car. And so I rented a minivan. We'll see how that goes. And, but there are so many things to get done. One thing that I need to get done is I've been doing other stuff, and then I was gonna start tackling my closet yesterday, and my husband seemed to be really, really tired. Now, normally he does his cooking for the week on the weekend, so he makes all his foods. He has specific things he likes and likes to try things and stuff, but he seemed rather tired. He was asleep a lot. In fact, he's asleep now. And I thought, I'll go ahead and go do the grocery shopping and I'll go ahead and make him some food. So I have been cooking up a storm. So everything kind of changed really quick yesterday when I noticed that he just seemed really tired. So I made some chili verde with the hatch chili that I got from New Mexico, and it actually came out just a little bit different flavor, but it was good. And it's spicy, but it's not hot. So that actually was really nice. And I used the medium one that I got, medium hatch chili. I didn't use the hot, so maybe that helped. But I simmered it for like 2 hours, which is what I love to do. I love to simmer that, get that sauce nice. And wow, it came out really good. And then of course I made some rice. And then I'm gonna throw a tri-tip in the Instant Pot probably tomorrow morning because that goes really fast. And then I'm making some enchiladas. They're in the oven right now, so that'll get done. And I also made him a peach cobbler and what else? Oh, a Reese's like peanut butter bars. And then I made my brother a sugar-free chocolate pie. So I think I'm kind of set. I think I got everything done for them, or I will have. So, and I cleaned the kitchen, so I feel really good about that. So all I have left really is to start getting my stuff together, which means I really need to clean that closet because I don't think I'm going to take it like a suitcase. I think the duffel, like my, what do you call it? My backpack that I bought, the large backpack, I think that one will work just fine. And I want to kind of trim some stuff down for this trip. I don't need as much stuff, I don't think. And so I'm going to start narrowing stuff down. All right, that was not too bad. But I still have to go through all of this because I'm feeling there's jewelry and stuff in here. I need to organize this basket a little bit better. Phase 2. So has anybody ever done this? This is a pill holder, and I actually use this to put like earrings and jewelry in, and it keeps everything kind of separated. It obviously doesn't work well for necklaces, but it's not bad. Here's a necklace that dropped. I can't find it. I thought it was in the basket or behind that. So I stopped recording for a little bit because my Instagram friend, Cruise Yes Please, Susie, no one knows there's Cruising Susie. She went live. She's getting on the horizon right now, so I wanted to support her on that. So that was fun to jump on that. And I did not know, I knew she was going on the MSC Meraviglia, but I didn't know what date. So apparently she's going to be on the same one that I am, and so is Ricky Ocean, and there was someone else on there too, and I can't remember who it was. Anyway, there'll be a few of us on there, so maybe we'll do a little meetup or something, get together. So anyway, found my necklace. I'm so excited. Okay, so one of the hardest things for me to do anytime I'm like going somewhere is technology, and I've got it down pretty well. I actually have not been taking my camera very much. I've been leaving it home with the hubby, and but it seems to be working out. I do have a tripod, and I'm kind of thinking I want to bring it just because I'll be in a car. And I've also taken it on a ship before because I've gotten up really early and just set my camera up on a tripod and done like a time-lapse sunrise. So, but I want to go really, really like low key on this trip. I'm trying to like not have so much, like break it down a little bit more. I have this carrying case. This works great for like my makeup and skincare and deodorant, toothpaste. Like it's a whole little hygiene thing, but it is kind of thick. And if it doesn't fit, then I may go pare down to some smaller things. So I'm thinking about doing that. Let's see how it goes. So this is all I'm pretty much taking. I'll take this little carrier with all the cords and then the 2 GoPros. I like to have the backup. This is the one I always use, and then I take an extra grip. You never know. And then this is my knee brace, but I didn't want to forget it, so I left it there. I do have the mount for in the car. I'm gonna take it. I tried to use it in New Mexico, and I don't know if I was really a fan. And then also the little charging thing. And this is a really nice one because it's a rapid charge. So, yeah. And that's that. Of course, I'll also take my iPad and my phone. So, I'll take those devices. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to take my tripod or not. I keep going back and forth on it, but we'll see. Alright, if you haven't seen my numerous backpack videos, this is the larger backpack, and I actually took this to Palm Springs when we camped in the car. It actually worked out really well, and I think having this is way better than doing like a suitcase, so it's hard. Especially when you're like popping more things into a car, you know, with multiple people in it. So I'm thinking this will work out a little bit better than a suitcase, and it'd be, so I can move it around a little bit better. So I'm gonna see what's in here. Oh, Lord. Oh, in planning all this out, it has been a little bit of a roller coaster just because we didn't know if we'd be able to do this based on how fast the California would be able to open up. And I actually wanted to take them up to Oregon, Washington, or something like that. I was looking for Airbnbs and stuff like that. But my cousin lives in Washington, and she was saying it just wasn't, it's still like not great in the states up there. And they're a little more strict, and so we'd be limited on some things that we would probably be able to do, that I would want to do, and we'll be able to take them to. And so going into someone else's house too, into an Airbnb and things like that. But I mean, all I could think of is like, there is future years, so I'll do with what I can right now. California opened up pretty, I don't want to say pretty fast. I mean, there was a planning I mean, I don't watch all of the politics stuff. I just know that June 15th was like a big date for California Open. We just got notified that Los Angeles County was going back to masks on the indoors, if you go indoors. And so I will make sure that they take masks with them just in case that happens, as we, you know, if something changes going north. It seems like things are going pretty well, and I feel comfortable to be able to take them places. I think just the difference is, like a lot of people are saying, you know, what's the difference in taking the kids packing now and packing prior? And I think the only thing is, I mean, masks, because I've always taken antibacterial wipes, I've always taken hand sanitizer, I've always taken all that stuff. I don't think that's anything new for my packing purposes. I think the only thing that's different is, you know, having the mask. So nothing unusual there. I think finding places that actually had like pools open, or we like the places that serve breakfast in the morning. Finding those places that were a little bit of a challenge, and not every place. I think there's one hotel that I did that it was just the right price and right amount of space, that I don't think the pool will be open. By the time we get there, it could happen. It could open, but it could be that that's the one place that it ends up being that we may not have a swim. But otherwise, I've called the hotels, and it seems like everything is going pretty well in the northern region. Now, again, that could change. That could change. So, I left the enchiladas in just a little too long. A lot too long. Anyway, gotta get in the shower, gotta get ready.
1, 2, 3.